So today I'm going to show you how to make a boho inspired pair of Halloween earrings. I'm using a tassel, a black scale, an 8mm jump ring, and a 4mm jump ring, and lever back ear wire, but you can use whatever style of ear wire you prefer. So to begin with, I'm going to go and open up my 8mm jump ring here. I'm going to slide that on there. I'm going to take my tassel and slide it on, and then slide my scale onto it. Oops. I'm going to close that jump ring. And then I'm going to go and open my 4mm jump ring. And open that up and slide it, open up a little bit more maybe, and slide it onto my 8mm jump ring. And I think I'll just close that. And I think I need to get my 8mm just a little bit closer. There we go. Open up my ear wire and slide that jump ring right into that loop there. If you can get it from wiggling around. There we go. And close that up. And there you have it. One pair of boho inspired Halloween earrings.